The European Union has granted €12 million to support public financial reform and digital transformation in Timor-Leste. The funding agreement was officially signed by the EU ambassador to Timor-Leste, Mark Friedrich, and Finance Minister Santina Viegas Cardoso. Under the agreement, €9 million will go towards strengthening the public financial management system, while €3 million will support e-government development and digital literacy, specifically for women, youth, and vulnerable groups. The project, known as PADI-TL, aims to modernize governance, improve transparency, and provide more efficient and inclusive public services. It also supports Timor-Leste's alignment with ASEAN and global digital standards.
This agreement represents for more than a financial commitment. It embodies the enduring and evolving partnership between the Timor-Leste and the European Union. It stands as a testament to our shared vision of strengthening democratic institutions, enhancing governance frameworks, and modernizing public service to become more accessible and responsive to all Timorese citizens. The PADI-TL program emerged from the solid foundation established by our previous collaboration under the Public Financial Management and Oversight Program. With a comprehensive budget of €12 million, this enhanced partnership combines strategic budget support with specialized technical assistance. This integrated approach will enable us to substantially strengthen our public financial management system, elevate standards of transparency and accountability, and extend vital digital service throughout our nation.
Funded by the EU's Global Europe Instrument, PADI-TL will strengthen institutions through digital tools while supporting Timor-Leste's broader development goals.
PADI-TL builds on this foundation. Through budget support and targeted technical assistance, we aim to strengthen fiscal discipline, enhance expenditure control, improve public investment management, and support the government in closing legislative gaps critical to the digital transition. These reforms are not technical exercises. They are tools of nation building.
EU Ambassador Mark Friedrich added that digital transformation should not lose its human touch.
That is why digital and financial literacy are key pillars of this program. We want women, youth, and people with disabilities and in remote areas to understand how to navigate digital tools confidently and safely. In a country where many still rely on paper records and cash transactions, digital literacy is empowering. Let me be clear. We do not believe in technology for its own sake. We believe in people. Technology must serve their needs, expand their freedoms, and be designed to include, not exclude them.
The ambassador also underlined the importance of strong coordination across ministries, public institutions, and civil society. Also present was Minister of Interior, Francisco Guterres, acting as foreign minister, who highlighted progress in institutional reform and announced the Council of Ministers' approval to submit the Samoa Agreement for ratification.
Today, I wish to highlight the significant progress Timor-Leste is making, bolstered by the strong partnership we share with the European Union as we strive to realize our overarching development vision. I am proud to announce that the Council of Ministers recently approved a resolution to submit the proposal for ratification of the Samoa Agreement to our national parliament. The Samoa Agreement is more than a formal accord. It symbolizes our unwavering commitment to strengthening ties with our region and enhancing our nation's socio-economic landscape.
The PADI-TL agreement reflects the strong and growing collaboration between Timor-Leste and the European Union and their shared vision of a more modern, inclusive, and competitive nation by 2030. Sidalia Fatima, Armandina Muniz, Tatoli.